Hey guys, it's me, Hair Obsessed JC. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get these beautiful curls without using any heat. A simple trick that you can do just to get your curls looking full and super curly, just like this. So if you guys are interested in how to get this look, then keep on watching. Okay, you guys, I really wanted to come out and show you how I get my curls to look really curly and sweet with my flexi-rods. Okay, so one of the things that I do first is making sure that I wash and deep condition my hair. So while I was detangling, I got a little knot. I'm going to show you what that looks like up close. So I'm going to try and pull as much hair from the knot. That's what that's looking like. And then I'm just going to clip it off. Okay, so now that I have that clipped off, the next thing that I do is making sure that I moisturize and seal my hair. Okay, so that's the next thing. I make sure I start off with freshly washed hair, and now I am moisturizing and sealing my hair. So my hair is about 90% dry hair. By the time I'm finished, it should be completely dry to apply my flexi rods. I'm just going to section off my hair in order to put the flexi rods in. And if you guys want to see how I do my flexi rods or how I apply my flexi rods, you guys can check that video out in the info class above. By the way, you guys, someone mentioned in the comments that I should literally cut my hair because it's a bit thin at the ends. And I'm going to take them up on that, and I'm going to definitely try to trim some more off because I would love to get the full look. And for now, my hair is not looking full. So one of the tricks to this, you guys, is that I do my flexi rods on air dried hair. Because if you do this on hair that is weighed down, it's not going to look the same. You're not going to get a tight curl, and your curls are going to look limp. Now this is what that is looking like. It's nice. It's not that bad. And I notice whenever I do a flexi rod on weighed down hair, it doesn't look the same. The curls doesn't form the same. They're not tight. Okay, so if you guys are liking it so far, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Okay, so I'm just gonna add some serum to just give my hair some sheen, and I'm gonna start separating the curls. So I'm going to use my fingers to separate the curls instead of using the comb to comb through it, because when I do use the comb, I get rid of the curls and it's not going to look the same. So that is another thing that you have to do. Try and use your fingers as much as possible to help shape your style. Okay, so now we're going to be accessorizing. I love me some accessories. This is the one I'm going to be using. I'm going to be leaving everything in the description box below. As you guys can see, I'm still working on my edges. That's what that is looking like so far. I'm trying out this Cantu foam wrap. I think this style is super, super cute. Please don't forget to comment and let me know what you think of how the hairstyle turned out. Let me know down below how you apply your flexi rods. Do you do it on air dried hair, or you just do it on weighed down hair and you're not getting the same curls like how I am right here? Let me know, guys. So there you have it. This is the finished look. If you did like it, please don't give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out in the algorithm. And if you like hair and beauty videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Hashtag Hair Obsessed Club. If you like more videos, just watch these two next. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.